watching his grandmother write a letter. At one point he asked, "Are you writing a story about Wilftan? It is a story about me." His grandmother stopped writing her letter and said to her grandson, "I'm writing about you actually, but more important than the words is the pencil I'm using. I hope you will be like this pencil when you grow up." Intrigued, the boy looked at the pencil. It didn't seem very special, but it's just like any other pencil I've ever seen. That depends on how you look at things. It has 5 qualities which, if you manage to hang on them, will make you a person who will always at peace with the world. First quality, you are capable of great things, but you must never forget that is the hand guiding your step. We call that hand God, and He always guides us according to His will. Second quality, now and then I have to stop writing and use sharpener that makes the pencil suffer a little, but afterwards, He's much sharpener. So you too must live to bear certain pains and sorrows, because they will make you a better person. Third quality, the pencil always allows us to use an eraser to rub to any mistakes. This means that correcting something we didn't not necessarily a bad things. It helps to us on the road to justice. Fourth quality, what really matters in a pencil is not its wooden accessory, but the graphite inside. So always pay attention to what is happening inside you. Finally, the pencil fifth quality. It always leaves a mark in just the same way. You should know that everything you do in life will leave mark. So try to be conscious of that your every action.